Today is Tuesday, March 18, 2014. Sunrise was at 6:58 a.m. The sun will set today at 7:01 p.m. Length of daylight hours today will be 12 hours, 3 minutes of visible light, 13 hours. Today is the first day in 2014 during which the sun will linger above the horizon longer than otherwise, that is, below the horizon. The waning gibbous moon with 97% illumination will rise at 9:21 p.m. and will set at 7:42 a.m. Wednesday morning. At noon today, the moon will appear within the 7th zodiacal designation, Libra, the scales. The moon will pass above Rutland City at 241,262 miles distant. Under clear skies in downtown Rutland, the high temperature today is predicted to be 34 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale. As daytime temperatures will rise above freezing today with plenty of bright sunshine, expect melting and evaporation along with a healthy chance of mud in the yard and along the greenways. Skies will remain clear today and tonight with an overnight low of 12 degrees. Tomorrow will be warmer still with partly cloudy skies and a daytime high of 40 degrees. Expect light winds today. High tides today at Abidjan, the Ivory Coast, will be at 5:49 a.m. at 3.8 feet and 6 p.m. 4.1 feet. Low tides at Abidjan will be at 11:37 a.m. and 12:01 a.m., 1.3 feet and 1.2 feet, respectively. Because of the record-breaking late February and early March Arctic vortex during one of the persistently coldest winters in decades, ice cover of the Great Lakes is now the most widespread in 35 years and nearing an all-time record. According to an analysis by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Great Lakes Environmental Research Laboratory, ice cover peaked at 92.2% of the Great Lakes on March 6. In records dating to 1973, only February 1979 at 94.7% peak had greater ice coverage. This is an abrupt turnaround from the past 4 winters during which the peak ice coverage was around 40% or less. The 40-year average peak ice coverage each winter is about 51%. About 94% of Lake Superior, just under 96% of Lake Huron, 96% of Lake Erie, and almost 92% of Lake Michigan were ice-covered on March 6. Shale and other clay-rich rocks could be used for the long-term storage of spent nuclear fuel, according to a report presented Monday at the 247th National Meeting and Exposition of the American Chemical Society in Dallas. Shale is the source of the current boom in natural gas production in the United States, but its unique sedimentary properties make it an ideal long-term storage solution for spent nuclear fuel, said research leader Christopher Neusel, a hydrologist with the U.S. Geological Survey. According to Neusel, there are nearly 77,000 tons of potentially dangerous spent nuclear fuel sitting in storage in temporary above-ground facilities around the United States. This fuel will continue to pose potential threats for generations, up to thousands of years from now. Neusel said surface security for that length of time requires maintenance and security. Hoping for stable societies that can continue to provide those things for millennia is not a good idea. Neusel said natural disasters such as the 2011 earthquake and tsunami that struck the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant in Japan can also jeopardize the containment and security of housed nuclear fuel. Finding a suitable storage solution for spent nuclear fuel is critical, Neusel said, because even after it's taken out of reactors, it continues to produce heat and ionizing radiation. This has been today's Weather Minute. I'm Richard Alcott.